Okay semua, hai, hari ni hari Ahad. I thought it's going to be a sunny Sunday, but actually hari ni hujan sangatlah lebat. See? Dan sekarang aku berada dalam kereta aku. Actually petang ni aku nak hantar kereta ni pergi servis. Actually bukan servis, aku nak tukar absorber, keempat-empat absorber kereta ni. Nampak tak tu? Salah. Tu. Semua absorber ni aku beli dekat Shopee masa 11/11 hari tu. It's due to change for quite some time. Sebab teruk sangat dah aku punya absorber ni. Bila drive je, kereta jadi agak bumpy. So I decide I have to change it. So sekarang ni aku nak pergi hantar kereta aku. The thing is, driving a Ford, you need a Ford specialist untuk servis kereta ni. That's the thing about driving kereta Ford ni lah. Tak boleh nak hantar kat mekanik sebarangan. And itulah yang menyebabkan the maintenance of the Ford is quite not affordable. Okay, so let's go. Aku sharekan sedikit part of the journey. Hari ni aku tak dapat lah nak share footage of the drone. One thing is, you see rain quite heavy petang ni. Dan itulah baru plan nak buat content fly drone. The drone controlled by the kids. Tapi itulah, tengok keadaan memang tak mengizinkan. But it's okay, we can do it many other time. So for now, jom aku bawa korang pergi servis, hantar kereta ni pergi repair. Let's jom. Aku dah gunakan kereta ni almost 12 years. Nak jual sayang. Lagipun the resale value not worth it lah bagi aku untuk tolak kan. So I think I just keep using it. As long as the car can be driven around, aku rasa I'm okay with it. Okay, aku tak pasti my wife dekat mana. I hope she's somewhere around here. Sebab dia akan pick up aku lepas aku hantar kereta ni. Kereta ni aku akan hantar overnight, so, untuk servis dengan mekanik. Dan kemudiannya barulah aku ambil, maybe tomorrow. Change of plan tak jadi. Sebabnya the thing is, the mechanic is a home base. Dia kata hujan terlalu lebat, jadi dia kata hantar besok je lah. Dia tak ada tempat nak letak kereta. It's okay. After this, actually nak pergi Dobi. Okay, let's go. Air mula naik. Tengok tu dah melimpah. So okay, right now dah sampai ke Dobi. End up coming to Dobi. Dari plan nak fly drone, nak pergi hantar kereta, all the plan tak jadi. Datanglah ke sini, basuh baju. For this past few day, aku rasa hujan memang unpredictable gila. Baru je panas, tiba-tiba gelap gila. Baru je gelap, tiba-tiba je ribut. Tadi banjir kilat depan rumah aku. Somehow Malaysia ni macam masuk dalam mood shuffle. And bagi aku, when doing daily vlog, this kind of things buatkan aku rasa blank. Somehow dia memang kacau gila. Plan hari ni nak buat outdoor content. Aku nak fly the drone lagi sekali. You know, doing something chill, continuity from the past few days punya vlog. But semua tu have to cancel. Especially lepas tu aku plan nak pergi hantar kereta pula servis, pun sama juga. Ini kalau camping confirm jadi water park edition. Okay, aku rasa wife aku dah sampai kat situ. Jom kita pergi ambil baju. Itulah, I think that is the hard part of daily vlogging. It is really unpredictable, especially when it comes to weather, activity. So somehow benda tu affecting the flow of the vlog. And mula nak buat drone, hujan pula kan. Lepas tu nak hantar kereta, mekanik tak ada tempat nak parking kereta. Itulah masalah sekarang. So end up datang Dobi je dan makan malam. Sekarang pukul apa? Oh, sekarang 6.43. Okay lah, just nice untuk dinner. So right now dekat Aliko. Aliko ni selalunya masuk event kan. So this is the HQ actually. Kita tunggu je lah. Kita makan malam terus kat sini. Honestly, aku rasa kuih tiaw dekat kedai is better than yang korang makan dekat event tu. I don't know somehow why. Cuma dekat sini way more better. Sekali lagi, change of plan. Hari sudah tak hujan. So somehow tiba-tiba je the mechanic called, kata bolehlah hantar kereta. So this time we're really going back to send this car untuk servis. Okay, jom. Okay, kita dah nak hampir sampai. Location tempat mekanik ni sebenarnya dia berada dekat taman perumahan yang lama. It's quite hard to reach there. Need to be very careful lah sebab kereta kanan kiri parking ya. So the thing is with using kereta Ford ni, you have two choice. Either you send the car to the official Ford, which aku rasa the cost akan jadi berlipat ganda lah. Or you send it to a Ford specialist yang somehow dah retired. So this is one of them. So this guy, dia dah bersara daripada jadi mekanik, official mekanik. So dia buat sendiri dekat rumah. And somehow it's quite a lot of customer lah. Tengok dalam balut tu tak tahu kereta apa. There it is. We are here. Actually semua barang-barang spare part aku dah beli. Look at here. Kalau since aku nak pasang absorber, aku perlu beli dia punya jajan dia sekali. So kena beli jajan dia sekali. Kalau tak boleh. Okay, kita tinggalkan kereta dekat sini. InsyaAllah besok kita datang ambil balik. So right now actually aku tengah tunggu wife aku datang pick up. I think she's here. Boleh. Here we are. Hi.
Hi.
So macam tu lah. Kadang-kadang vlog ni it's not about what I plan to do, what we plan to do, but somehow it is about what we don't plan to do. Macam ni lah. Mula plan macam ni, tapi dah diaturkan, ada benda lain pula yang menghalang. So that is how things work. And also that is how daily vlogs work. And this is the reality. Somehow we conquer the plan, and some days it was a pure chaos. And maybe that's the point. Life pun sama jugalah macam ni. It is unpredictable, messy, and sometimes it mess up with your plans. Tapi apapun, always the story jalan. So how about you guys? Apa yang korang buat if somehow, some way your plans change suddenly? Apa korang buat? Adakah korang terus adapt, or you guys take a break before? Just like what I did before. Because honestly, aku still figures things out. So drop your thought, maybe somehow dia akan memberi inspirasi pada aku. Tadi banjir ke main? Jangan. Tengok tu, laluan tu juru ke seberang perai masih jam pada waktu malam. Harapnya projek penyuraian trafik yang dia orang akan buat in starting from this year will solve this issue.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi.